Lord, patawarin mo kung kasalanan ko ngayong gabi. Uncle, taga ano ka?
Mag-amo ka niya.
Uncle, taga ano ka?
Tagat to San Jose.
Ayun, taga saan? Amo, agsala?
Amok ah.
Yun, amo na kano. Ito'y kang ano, Uncle, ito'y kang Uncle. Wow, nagsala ka. Alto, ikalita pa lang, ito'y bat-bato. Yan. Ada asawa mo ng Uncle?
Andan.
Ano ba eh? Da kanon. Sige. Kastoy Uncle, ana. No, ana, jay, igamak kinyam, igamam kinyak. Ha?
Ano, bro?
Ana?
Wey.
Ano, bro?
Awin ka no. Sige. Sige, Uncle. Ijay ka pa yung Uncle. Magnata kanumit. Ah. Agpalakpak kayo mit kano ah. Kita yung taimak na eh. Taima. Yeah. Take the ribbon from my hair. Shake it. Alto, 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 alto. Apurado kasi ka. Laklaka yan. Sige. Urayin akas jay. Ay nga laki. Mabitog kang. Joke lang, joke lang, joke lang. Sige! Take the ribbon from my shake it loose and let it fall. And I saw up on my skin. Aldo, Aldo! Angkal! Sabsabali ito, ito'y de, banda! Hanggoy, baka ka, talaga, no? Ay, makugtarang kan! Ay! Sige! Alright! Sige! Bye-bye! Take the ribbon, oh, awampay! Take the ribbon from my hair. Shake it loose and let it fall. And I saw up on my skin like the shadows on my wall. I don't care what's right and wrong. I was right instead. Let you take me, take tomorrow. Like tonight, I need knocking down by my side. Empty morning lights. Alto. Gumampay lang. Angkal, bangsit. Apo. Sa balik angot na apay. Hu. Nay. Nanay, nagsabali angot na. I don't care what's right or wrong. I will try to understand. And you take me tomorrow. Lord, tonight I need my prayer. Yesterday is dead and gone, and tomorrow I will say about, and it's said to be on. Help me make it through the night. Para pa sa kanila. And it's said to be alone. And it's said to be alone. How we make it through the night. Ayan, maraming salamat. Palakpakan naman sa Uncle. Thank you, Uncle. Oh, may remembrance sila sa'yo, Uncle. Ha? Thank you. Kasangsangit ak, Uncle. Amo, Uncle, ayun isangit ko.
Sana all.
J.E. ma'am nagsabali, agot na! Joke lang. Ayan, thank you.